Hi, my name is Priyanka Jain. My Unity ID is pgen15. I've set up my Slack and Moodle profile. In the computing environment, I'm going to go inside the HW0 directory and do vagrant init Ubuntu 64. As you can see, I've actually already done the virtual machine setup. As I do the vagrant init, a vagrant file is going to be created inside the HW0 directory, and this is the file. To configure the various details of the virtual machine, we're going to open the vagrant file, and here I've set up the IP address for the machine and created a sync folder. Now let's first start up the vagrant, and you would see that the machine is starting up, and that can be actually viewed on the VirtualBox Manager. So we can see that the machine has powered up. I'm going to do a vagrant SSH. Now first we're going to install Node.js in our virtual machine. So to do that, I'm going to do sudo apt get install Node.js. So let's do the same for npm. We're inside home vagrant. So vagrant data is our sync. So let us go inside vagrant data. So there's a test.txt file in the vagrant data folder. Now inside the data folder, I'm going to create another text document. Let's call this hello, and inside the file I'm going to write hello to DevOps. Let's go inside the virtual machine again and see if our file is there. So you can see it, and a new file hello.txt has been added. Just to confirm, let's see if that is the file that we created, and yeah, it's hello to DevOps. So this is setting up the computing environment. Yes, to demonstrate pipelines inside an empty folder, I have already cloned the app repo and created the directory structure outside app with deploy, production.get, and production www. I've initialized the production.get repository as an empty bare repository. Inside production.get, I'm going to place a post.c file in the hooks folder. Inside the file, we have added some instructions that need to be performed when a push is performed on the app directory. So we are going to install npm and run a main.js application. Let us see how this works. I've added production.get as the remote for app directory, such that whenever we make a commit in app, it's going to reflect through the post.c file, and it's going to run our application that we have placed there. So I'm going to touch a file here. Okay. And eventually we can see the output of the application at localhost 9000. So here's the output, high from 85.